Hey everyone, Veronica here, and I just went to the farmer's market and I have my basket full of delicious goodies, and I just wanted to share with you what I got at the farmer's market this week for my daily dozen meal prep. So right now it is November and this is what the produce is available in California. I'm so grateful for everything that we get to purchase at the farmer's market. So let's dive in and see what I got. Okay, we still have fresh berries being grown locally. So I really like to purchase these berries because these are packed with vitamin C, and berries are part of the daily dozen. We already kind of dug into some of these blackberries. But yeah, I like to purchase these as 3 packs every week, and I serve these every day for 1 or 2 meals a day. So the Daily Dozen suggests, about a half of a cup of berries every day. So this helps us get that into our diet. Okay, and then check out these these grown mushrooms that are grown hydroponically, or I don't know if it's technically hydroponically, but they're grown indoors. These are shiitake mushrooms. This is actually something Dr. Gugger says that he wishes he added to the Daily Dozen because it's not technically in the Daily Dozen, but it is a really delicious and healthy addition to a diet. It's good to have like mushrooms usually once or twice a week at least, so these shiitake mushrooms will last us quite a while. Okay, and I've been waiting to find some cucumbers at the farmer's market. I finally got a couple this week. They're not very big, but at least there is some cucumbers. Cucumbers are packed with so much nutrition. I do even like to put them into smoothies. I like to dip them in hummus and enjoy them as snacks. So definitely check out, I'll put a link in the description below to a post where I shared about cucumber smoothies because these are a really great addition to the diet. Okay, and we're coming up on persimmon season. So these are persimmons. These are the type that you don't have to wait till they get soft to eat. They're kind of like apples. They're really sweet and crunchy, and they're so good. They're really delicious as like a fruit salad. So I got a few of these as part of our servings of fruit each week. Then I was able to score some delicious, beautiful organic tomatoes. I eat usually about 1 tomato a day. These are packed with vitamin C and a lot of other nutrition like lycopene, so I do like to enjoy those every day. I'm able to get these organic avocados. These are so good. They're not ripe yet. These I'll probably have to wait at least a week for them to be ripe. They're still pretty hard, but I scored about 5 or 6 of these to add to my, basically these are a fruit, so I'll consider these a fruit. Okay, and then right now I'm getting these really delicious sweet mini red peppers. These are not spicy. These are basically like bell peppers. Bell peppers are another great source of vitamin C, which is just so good for our bodies, especially for collagen production, immune system boosting. So I definitely like to get a lot of bell peppers, berries, tomatoes, everything I can to get as much vitamin C into my diet. And then look at these carrots. This was so good. This was just a couple dollars for all these big, delicious, juicy carrots. These are gonna go great in salads, shredded up. They're also gonna be really delicious in soups. So I'm just really excited that I get to have these delicious, beautiful carrots. Okay, and then one more thing that I got that I purchased from my farmer that I like to purchase from often. He has these corns that are already, like, they take the shucks off. I think I shared these in a recent video where I toured the farmer's market. I'll share a link in the description below, but I showed all of the produce at the farmer's market. But I made these corn the other night in the Instant Pot. It was just 2 minutes in the Instant Pot, and they came out so delicious. They were like creamy, they were just really dense in flavor and texture. So I got 8 of these because these are gonna last a while. They actually sat in my fridge for about a week or almost 2 weeks, and I still was able to cook them up in the Instant Pot, and they tasted delicious. Alright, so that's basically what I got for this week's meal prep at the farmer's market. I hope you enjoyed this unbasketing haul of my farmer's market finds. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!